Yeah?
Oh, this is so good.
Oh my god.
Get in, bloods. Wait, you wanna see my crib? This is my favorite place to be.
Oh wow, this is amazing.
This is so sick.
Well, see, it was worth it. There's always a way.
There's a wheels in there. Yeah.
Guys, please. Oh, spider web.
Always wanted one of these.
It looks like someone lives here. This place is insane. Look, it goes off to somewhere else. What is this? This is pretty fucked, you know.
Interesting. Boobies. When did you close the thing?
That one's fucking creepy.
Oh, you padded on here. Oh, yeah.
You both got hard hats.
Yeah.
Harry Squatter.
This is so sick.
Try the phone.
Oh, that could sell for this $5.
Guys, this is pretty insane, I ain't gonna lie. I don't think we'd actually get in. Thought we were fucked. See you soon, Jakey boy. What does that even mean? Guys, spray paint. Oh my god, a printer. That could go for a lot.
That's not.
Does it still work?
Yes, mate.
It does honestly look like people live here, but I reckon that's just a hotel bedding. There's a bar.
Wait, I'm gonna try and light the bomb. Wait, this one. I can't see shit.
I hear something coming from in there though.
Look at these paintings. It's like lamps and shit. Camera right there.
My stories of the
Why the fix on?
Yeah, but they don't work anymore. You got to think it was cameraed when this place was open, but the chances of them working.
What's that?
I don't know, man. That camera does look like it's still working.
Oh, I'm right in there.
I'm gonna do that bit last before we leave. That's what the noise is.
It's a tap.
Yeah, do you want to come in? Because it's fucking creepy.
We need a better light.
Nah, look. It sounds like someone just flushed the toilet.
I'm looking at.
Oh, they still have shower stuff.
To go.
Guys, this floor is not stable, I don't think.
Is that quiet?
Oh my god, a dead bird.
Open that door.
A dead bird, guys. It's been like ripped apart. Guys, there's literally a dead bird here. And a baby changing scene. There's still toilet paper in here. Guys, come here. I think this leads on to the hotel. This bit here. Guys. Ew. Oh my gosh.
So I used to actually parachute.
Candles.
Oh, that's very dangerous.
You should have kept the hard hats. They obviously had them in here for a reason. Old fridges. We don't know that though.
Is it? Oh, those duct tape.
Oh, that goes back out there.
I'm running into the website now.
The roof fell down here. Let's go back down here. There's one more room. It looks like the roof caved in here, so I'm not entirely sure I want to go in there, but you get the gist of it. So this used to be the old bar. It's pretty sick. I honestly think someone is like living here on these beds. Look, this is perfect for like homeless people to come and sleep at. That's where my mum and dad had a wedding picture in the gazebo. And look at this creepy shit. Glass or metal milkshake. Well, someone's very talented if they decided to graffiti books instead of walls. Every page has a picture. This one's sick. Look at this one. Someone's really talented. What? Let's just go straight to the back. Wait, what? It's open now.
I'll take that home, yeah, put it on the wall. Ow.
No, this way. This one. That door. Doesn't need a key?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, there ain't no way.
And you dropped your camera.
There's only security. Right, should we go to the back and show you this ghost bar? We'll go.
Yep.
Go to the back room.
Okay.
Come on. Morgan's got it.
Wait, what did this used to be?
This used to be a hotel.
A hotel?
And a place where people had wedding parties. Whisper into Morgan's ear. Say something to him.
No, don't.
Do it.
Touch him.
Pull his hair.
Fuck you.
Throw him. Play with my hair. Did you die in this building? Is there anyone even here?
Demons,
Walking.
do something. Pussy holes.
Is there something dark in this building? That's not a spirit.
Surely no one's died here.
But we don't know what this was before. It was a hotel, do we? Oh my
What do you mean my back? Go, wait for me. Wait for me, come with me, blood. Fuck that was some paranormal shit. Can you come with me?
Morgan, go.
It's calm, blood. Oh, that's so fucked.
Oh my god. Guys, there was someone in there.
Whoa.
The toilet flushed, didn't it? Should we go back in?
Nah,
I'm gonna get a peek in there. Oh my god. Let's get out of here. I think we're done for the day. If you want to see us come back here at 3 in the morning, then just let us know in the comment section. And we will come back to that tent at 3 in the morning. This place is definitely fucking haunted, isn't it? 100%. Next time we're going to try and get through that window that's open there and see if we can get into the main hotel. And we'll also do the 3 AM thing if you guys want it. So we must have been in that bit there, look. Literally that building there. That must be where the girls' toilets goes to. They're coming over us! What the fuck? They're all stopping on the trees above us.
Wait for all the shit now.
Why did I do that?